If you like the fluffy icon setup I showed you previously, here's another version that you might prefer. The previous one had a more texture material-like appearance. This one I'll be showing you today has a softer, puffier, and more foam-like appearance. So rather than telling you which one is better, I'm going to be showing you how to get one for yourself, and then you decide which style belongs to your Samsung phone. Let's do it. So welcome and welcome back to the Doitright Tech channel, where I take you through everything tech and help you get the absolute most out of your Samsung device. Now, I've already created a fluffy icon setup on this channel before, which you can find in the top right corner here. And if you also like this kind of icon setup, the dark looking, in quote, iPhone looking dark theme, which is still coming to the One UI 9, but if you want it now, you can check up here the second card. All right, let's move on. And personally, I still prefer the previous one because the texture feels more like an actual material and more detailed and fluffiness around the edges. But this version gives you a different look. It's going to be cleaner, softer, and more on the puffy foam-like appearance. So I'm showing you both of them so you can decide which one you prefer. But without wasting much time, let's dive right into the video. But don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. On that note, let's go. So here are two things that you're going to need for this entire setup, which is going to be the Play Store and Samsung Good Lock. The Play Store is where we download most of our applications, which are authorized by Google. And Samsung Good Lock is also an application that is used for customization on different levels for beautification and even making the use of your phone way much better. So if you already have the Good Lock installed, then you're ready. So let's get in. So we're going to go into the Play Store like this. And once we are here, we're going to search for Fluffy One UI right there. And as you can see here, this is the previous one we installed, and this is the new one we're looking at. So you're going to tap on it, and we're going to be making payment of a little over $1 to get it. In a snap, we would have been done downloading it, and we'll be looking inside it. All right. So there we have it. So we're going to select it, and then as you can see, we're going to have them looking more puffy like this. So to apply it, we're going to need Good Lock now. If you hit on this, it's going to ask you which of these you're using, and ours, you can see, is the Samsung One UI. So if you select it, it's going to be telling you that it's going to be going to the Samsung Galaxy Store and downloading the theme pack, which is actually part of Good Lock. So what we're going to do now is go here into Good Lock, and once we're in here, we're going to go into theme pack, and we're going to come to icons. Once in icons, we're going to hit create a new one, and once we are in here, we're going to come here to icons. Then you're going to tap on icon pack and select that very one. So we hit on it this way, and all the applications are going to change like that. So you can see the fluffiness over there. This one is going to look very different. Now this one brings me to why I prefer the previous one, because you can see this has got that icon looking like this, and the same thing here. But in the previous one, that's the other fluffy icon, what you're going to be seeing is that because the edges are fluffy, something white like this would still have a fluffy white surrounding, but it's going to have it all over the place. So it's going to look a bit more as if everything has changed, which is not the same here, but I still like this also. So once you're done with this, you're going to hit on save, and then you're going to give it a name, Fluffy 2.0, okay, like that, and we're going to save it. Once we are done with this, we're now going to tap on it and apply it. We wait for a couple of seconds. Once it's done, we're going to swipe away, and all our icons have changed this way. So if we come here to this giant one, we can see how fluffy it looks. Look under here also, very beautiful. For me, I think this looks amazing. I'm going to be keeping an image of the previous one right here, and then the new one right here, so you can compare. So now you've seen them side by side, so you are able to make a fair decision. Now, just like almost every third-party icon pack, you may occasionally find some applications that don't match the icons. And here we can see a few examples right there. But I'm not going to be making the video unnecessarily long. going through the whole process again. I've already created a video tutorial showing exactly how to use theme pack to change individual application icons, which you can find right here. So you can tap on it right after this video, jump in there, and then you can see everything. So if there are one or more applications that don't match it, you can check that video. It's going to show you how. And in the comment section also, I'm going to drop a prompt that you can use either in ChatGPT or Gemini to generate those icons and put them right there. All right. And so that there is the final setup. No third-party launchers, no complicated setups, just download the icon pack, open Good Luck, theme pack, icons, create the new one, save it, and you're done. So now you've seen both fluffy icons, the more textured material-like version from the previous video, and this softer foam-like version. Which one of these are you actually keeping on your Samsung phone? The previous one or this very one? Let me know that in the comment section, and if you haven't watched the previous setup, check that video in the link I provided up above and compare both of them so you can make an informed decision. But without wasting much time, please don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. On that note, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.